Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel Hasan Tech. I am Santosh. In today's video, I will be explaining how to recharge the battery and service it at your home. Watch the video till the end to understand it better. Since the lockdown is going on from a very long time, most of you will not use your vehicles. This will discharge the battery very quickly. So without wasting much time, let's move on with the video. Remove the side panel of your motorcycle and locate the battery. You can see the rusting has been started on the terminals. So let's clean it up well and apply petroleum jelly. Always remove the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal and pull out the battery. You can see the dust collected. Clean the battery surface before charging the battery. Remove the right side panel to locate the battery. Here is the regulator, here is the CDI, and here is the battery, positive terminal and negative terminal. So remove these two cables and remove the battery. Friends, before charging, let us check out the terminal voltage of the batteries. So you need a multimeter of this. Set it to DC 20 volts range. The negative terminal and the positive terminal. You can read the voltage level is less than 12 volts. As you can see, these are the main terminals of the UPS battery. I have made two extensions out of it to recharge the motorcycle battery using crocodile clips, or you can also use battery clips of this size if you are charging the car battery. This will do for motorcycle battery. Make the connections tight and proper. This is for the positive terminal, which is the red color wire, and this is the negative terminal, which is the black color wire. You can see. Friends, do not place the battery directly onto the ground. Place it on a wooden board or a mat. This might affect the battery. Before connecting the clips to the battery, make sure the inverter supply is off. Clean up the battery well to remove dust. The black wire goes to the negative terminal and the positive terminal, the red wire. Let us first charge the CD100 battery and then go to the Shine battery. I have removed the bolts to get a proper connection. Check up the wire once and then switch on the main supply. Switch off the inverter and charge only with the main supply. You can see the battery is charging. Charge the battery at least for an hour. and then check for the voltage. So it has been an hour since I connected the battery for charging. You can see the indicator, it has stopped blinking. The battery has been fully charged. Let's remove the connections and test the voltage and then connect it to the Shine battery. "20 volts range." You can see the battery voltage. Before it indicated only 11 volts. Now it is indicating around 13.2 volts. So the battery has been charged. In the similar way, connect it to the other battery, ensuring the mains is switched off, and after charging check for the terminal voltage. Now I have connected the other battery. You can see the light is blinking. Friends, even the other battery has been charged. As you can see, it has stopped blinking. So now let's check out the terminal voltage. You can see it is around 13.3 volts. If the battery voltage indicated is below 11 volts even after charging, there may be some defect in the battery, so replace the battery. Now here both the batteries are fine. After charging the battery, apply Vaseline petroleum jelly to the battery terminals. This is because to avoid the corrosion of battery terminals and keep it healthier for a longer period of time. You can notice the color difference between these two terminals. So apply petroleum jelly. This will increase the life of the terminals. Now you might have been wondering why I didn't add distilled water to the batteries. Now these are maintenance free batteries which should not be opened. They are a kind of use and throw batteries, so we should not add distilled water to them. Just recharge and add petroleum jelly to the terminals. Now the procedure I explained till now remains same for any motorcycles, scooters and even for cars. So you can charge the battery at home if you follow it carefully. If you want to buy these batteries, I will provide the link in the description. You can check out there. This is the 3Ah battery and this is the 2.5Ah battery. It is time to service the inverter battery also. As you can see, the distilled water level is low. If you want to make a video on this, ask me in the comment section. I will be making a video on How to make service of UPS inverter battery. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Share the video with your friends. Keep supporting.